Hi, today I'm for the fix Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see notifications, ringtone and alarm sections. Just if you want to change for example, notification sounds, you should tap to the section and select one from the available sounds. Here we'll see the volume panels, the media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these panels with our finger. Here we'll see Google Assistant section. Just we can turn on and turn off here all of these options with the help of the swatchers. If you want to activate and turn off the silent mode, set to silence media in silent mode, we should tap on the swatchers. Just to activate and turn off the don't disturb mode, we can make it here to use the don't disturb when the device is locked, to notify about the calls from no one, anyone, start contacts, and to notify about repeated calls. Also, if you want to set the shadow, the start and the end time, you can make it here. In additional settings, we can here use the dial buttons, tap sounds, lock and lock sounds, screenshot and installing, deleting sounds, charging sounds, and startup sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use the swatchers. Let's go back. If you want to activate or turn on the vibration for calls or to use vibration in silent mode, you should use the swatchers. To change the haptic feedback level, we should slide to the left or to the right side, but to change it, be sure that the haptic feedback option is activated. And in sound effects, we can activate or turn on the Dolby Atoms and to change their settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.